In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NerdWallet to track your finances and compare financial products. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to nerdwallet.com. Once the site loads, take a moment to get familiar with the homepage. NerdWallet is designed to help you better understand your money, and it brings together tools for financial tracking, product comparisons, and credit-related insights all in one place. Using Chrome can make navigation simple and consistent, especially if you're following along step by step. Next, create a free account or log into your existing one if you've already signed up. Look for the sign up or login option, usually near the top of the page. If you're creating a new account, enter your information where prompted, and follow the on-screen instructions to finish setting things up. Make sure you use details you can access easily, since you may need to verify your account before continuing. If you already have an account, just sign in and wait for your dashboard to load. Once you're inside your account, the next step is to link your financial accounts. This is what allows NerdWallet to give you a clearer picture of your overall finances. You can connect accounts such as checking, savings, credit cards, loans, and investment accounts depending on what you want to monitor. As you go through the linking process, carefully select each financial institution and follow the prompts to securely connect your accounts. This step is especially useful because it helps you track your cash flow, monitor your net worth, and keep an eye on your credit score from one central location. If you're linking several accounts, take your time so everything is categorized correctly and updates the way you expect. After your accounts are connected, explore NerdWallet's comparison tools. These tools can help you evaluate different credit cards, bank accounts, and loans based on your needs. As you browse, pay attention to the categories, filters, and comparison details available on the site. This can make it easier to narrow down options and understand features like rewards, fees, interest rates, or account benefits. If you're researching loans or credit cards in particular, comparing options side by side can help you make a more informed decision instead of choosing based on advertising alone. By the end of this process, you'll have a finance dashboard you can review regularly, plus access to comparison tools that can support smarter money decisions over time.